يوصيكم الله في أولادكم للذكر مثل حظ الأنثيين فإن كن نساء فوق 2 فلهن ثلثا ما ترك وإن كانت واحدة فلها النصف ولأبويه لكل واحد منهما السدس مما ترك إن كان له ولد فإن لم يكن له ولد وورثه أبواه فلأمه الثلث فإن كان له إخوة فلأمه السدس من بعد وصية يوصي بها أو دين آباؤكم وأبناؤكم لا تدرون أيهم أقرب لكم نفعا فريضة من الله إن الله كان عليما حكيما.
Thus does Allah command you concerning your children. The share of the male is like that of 2 females. If the heirs of the deceased are more than 2 daughters, they shall have 2/3 of the inheritance. And if there is only 1 daughter, then she shall have half the inheritance. If the deceased has any offspring, each of his parents shall have 1/6 of the inheritance. And if the deceased has no child, and his parents alone inherit him, then 1/3 shall go to his mother. And if the deceased has brothers and sisters, then 1/6 shall go to his mother. All these shares are to be given after payment of the bequest he might have made or any debts outstanding against him. You do not know which of them, your parents or your children, are more beneficial to you. But these portions have been determined by Allah, for He indeed knows everything, is cognizant of all beneficent considerations.
ولكم نصف ما ترك أزواجكم إن لم يكن لهن ولد فإن كان لهن ولد فلكم الربع مما تركن من بعد وصية يوصين بها أو دين ولهن الربع مما تركتم إن لم يكن لكم ولد فإن كان لكم ولد فلهن الثمن مما تركتم من بعد وصية توصون بها أو دين وإن كان رجل يورث كلالة أو امرأة وله أخ أو أخت فلكل واحد منهما السدس فإن كانوا أكثر من ذلك فهم شركاء في الثلث من بعد وصية يوصى بها أو دين غير مضار وصية من الله والله عليم حليم.
And to you belongs half of whatever has been left behind by your wives, if they die childless. But if they have any children, then to you belongs 1/4 of what they have left behind, after payment of the bequest they might have made, or any debts outstanding against them. And to them belongs 1/4 of what you leave behind, if you die childless. And if you have any child, then to them belongs 1/8 of what you have left behind, after the payment of the bequest you might have made, or any debts outstanding against you. And if the man or woman whose inheritance is to be distributed has no heir in the direct line, but has a brother or sister, then each of these shall inherit 1/6, But if their number is more than that, then all of them shall be entitled to 1/3 of the inheritance. After the payment of the bequest that might have been made, or any debts outstanding against the deceased, providing that the bequest causes no injury. This is a commandment from Allah. Allah is all-knowing, all-forbearing.
تلك حدود الله ومن يطع الله ورسوله يدخله جنات تجري من تحتها الأنهار خالدين فيها وذلك الفوز العظيم.
These are the bounds set by Allah. Allah will make him who obeys Allah and His Messenger enter the gardens beneath which rivers flow. He will abide there forever. That is the mighty triumph.
ومن يعص الله ورسوله ويتعد حدوده يدخله نارا خالدا فيها وله عذاب مهين.
And he who disobeys Allah and His Messenger and transgresses the bounds set by him shall Allah cause to enter the fire. There he will abide. A humiliating chastisement awaits him.
واللاتي يأتين الفاحشة من نسائكم فاستشهدوا عليهن 4 منكم فإن شهدوا فأمسكوهن في البيوت حتى يتوفاهن الموت أو يجعل الله لهن سبيلا.
As for those of your women who are guilty of immoral conduct, call upon 4 from among you to bear witness against them. And if 4 men do bear witness, confine those women to their houses until either death takes them away or Allah opens some way for them.